Cunastá Bloc TG car Peadar Goill anseo ag all together now on chéad bhliain tan féile seo ar siúl agus tá sé iontach go dtí seo. Tá man seo le an DJ iontach Nialler9 tá 43 míle a bheith?
Yeah.
43 míle leathanaigh aige ar Twitter. Will tú baint tanya bheits all together now go dtí seo?
Yeah, I've had a great time so far. Had a good night last night. Was DJing here last night late. So yeah, it's a lovely setup. It's really nice. The house is lovely. We're in front of the house here. It's and the bandstand was where I played last night, and it was really lovely lit, really nice setup. Lovely people there, and nice to be able to DJ late in the summer air in Ireland. It makes a difference, you know. Yeah.
And Niall, you're a staple in Irish festivals. You play like all Irish festivals. Is there something about Irish festivals that keep drawing you back?
I think Irish festivals are really good, you know, like this is another example of like we're so versed in festivals now in the last 10-15 years that everything has to, if you're coming on the scene like all together now, you have to do something that's different and show something that's not been there before. So I think All Together Now does has an amazing site, has a lovely lake, all that kind of stuff, lovely sculptures, all those things that make a festival a festival. Even today I was like watching Reggie Watts at like 12 o'clock and he had loads of people going at like 12:30, so yeah, it was a really nice vibe, you know. Like that's what it is, like it is that everyone gets together and it feels like a bit of a community, so yeah, it's nailing that for sure.
Great, yeah, it's the first year of this festival and you think it's going to be successful?
Oh totally, yeah, I can see this standing around a few years for sure. I'm saying first year, but signs are good for me anyway. So Saturday, who is your must-see? My must-see today is Roisin Murphy. She's like an amazing artist, an amazing live performer, and her new songs are absolutely incredible. So she always brings out these costumes and has a really big, decent live show, really theatrical and fun and easy to dance to as well. So she's great.
And have you had a chance to look at Sunday's lineup?
Sunday, no, I'm actually not going to be here on Sunday, so I haven't been looking at the Sunday lineup. But
I'll enjoy it for you now, don't worry.
Yeah, you will. Yeah, unfortunately I can't be here Sunday, but looking forward to just today and hanging out. There's a lot of stuff today that I want to see, like Jack Holloran's on at 4:15 today, and he's like ambient electronic music, it'll be a really nice setting for here. And then the likes of AMAC are playing later on tonight, Irish band, really interesting, really cool.
And speaking of Irish bands there, it's a fantastic time for Irish music lately, and you recently released your top 10, was it top 10 Irish albums of the year?
Yeah, I've done that, and the top 25, yeah, so there's some stuff in there, alright. Yeah, I think my favourite one, like I mentioned, Jack Holloran is one example, Kojak is another one, lots of good Irish rap at the moment as well. What else did I have in there? Wyvern Lingo were in there as well.
Why do you think the Irish music scene is thriving lately?
I think when you see success in other bands ahead of you, then you're more likely to see that it's attainable and that you can do that and you can follow in their footsteps. You look at a band like Girl Band, there's lots of bands coming up now who are a bit like them and are seeing them and going, we could do that as well. And same with like Irish hip hop with likes of Mango and Matt Man and Kojak. There's people can see a path for themselves now. Maybe they weren't seeing it before. Also, you got festivals putting them on really good bills as well, and really good times at festivals. So it's not just like the Irish bands are just at the first slot of the festival. They're throughout the evening and into the night. So you know, it makes a big difference. Especially like if you're a DJ as well. You're like, you want to be playing late and not like 2 p.m. You want to play at 2 a.m. So,
and did you have fun last night?
Yeah, it was great. It was really good. Yeah.
So Niall, to finish up, any advice for a new emerging Irish artist? You've been on the scene a long time. Any advice for them?
Best advice is to just write as many songs as you can and get out there and play gigs, and don't be afraid to ask and look for advice and feedback, because if getting opinions from other people will really help you, and work with other people, collaborate with other people. You'll learn so much more then.
Nialler9 anseo ag all together now le Bloc TG car.